When you have more than a handful of workers, it can be a lot more efficient to complete a mass import into the platform. To do so, navigate the Add People workflow and locate the Mass Import option. From the dropdown, select Direct Employee Payroll. Select the entity and group that you would like to perform the mass import to. Next, download the mass import template for this country. You can also find guidelines on the platform to explain the different fields and formatting on the mass import sheet. Follow the instructions on the template. Most notably, ensure that you do not delete the pre-filled rows. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. If a field does not have an asterisk, you can leave it blank if you'd like. Once you have filled in all of the mandatory fields for your workers, simply download the XSLX file and upload it into the platform. The platform with review and validate the data you import. If errors are found, you can simply locate the errors and edit the fields directly on the platform. If you hover over a field, you will find additional information. Remember that there are always guidelines available for your review. That wraps up how to mass import your direct employees. If you have any questions or need support, reach out to your Deel point of contact.